bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Good morning, everybody. What day is it?
Friday, the 13th.
Friday the Oh, it's Friday the 13th. No big deal. Scotty has a little issue with it, but
Only a little.
I don't. Let me fix you guys here. There, up. Everything is so sticky and
windy
moist
and sandy and
that my little sticky thing that holds the camera will not even hold the camera at this point. It just slides right off of it. Okay, what are we doing today?
We're going into town so we can upload and download and find a place to pressure wash this crap off the truck.
Yep. And there's a storm coming in, so we are leaving the beach for the night. Yep. And possibly the next night and finding somewhere else to stay. We're going to go find Aja and her group. They came in last night. And I don't know, whatever we find to do today, we'll take you guys along with us.
Whataburger.
No.
No Whataburger today?
Oh, maybe Whataburger. I don't know.
Whataburger.
Whataburger.
I didn't have one.
About 9 minutes from town, where we're camped out on the beach right now, there's lots of little roads that go off to the right that take you down to the beach. They give you beach access. Some require a pass permit to park on the beach or to park in the parking area. And we did see signs up at the little convenience store where you can actually purchase those permits. I don't know a whole lot about those, so you'll have to inquire about those if you come here on your own. And there's lots of fun things to do in this town. There's putt-putt golf. There's looked like there was. No, that's a restaurant.
Oh.
There, it looked like there was a roller coaster here. I don't know if it's any good anymore, but it looked like there was quite a few things to do. But anyways, we are heading down here to the bridge, and we're going to do some uploading and then go...
Get the sand off the rig.
Yeah, we need to get the sand off the rig.
Terrible.
Which it's going to end up back on there, but we like to kind of keep up on it. We did squirt it down yesterday as well. So, all right. I'm going to...
You can't roll down the windows because sand is tearing my windows up.
Yeah. There's so much sand stuck on everything. So, okay, I'm going to turn you guys around and show you guys through town. So you can see the sand on the windshields. The windshield.
It's nasty.
Yeah. And you can't really see out the windows because the salt water and sand just sticks to everything.
It's muggy. Bit muggy.
Yeah, it's really muggy. But that's alright. See, there's a roller coaster right over here.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see that the other day. I didn't pay attention.
Not really sure what that is. Scott and I haven't had any need to really look that up, but
I think that's a water park. I think those are like slides. Think it's a roller coaster?
Not really sure.
It must be a roller
roller coaster, and then there's also a slide
roller
though.
Coaster.
gonna tell you guys, I'm not gonna turn around so you guys can kind of see what we're seeing. Down at the visitor center, down on the island, I did read that there are wheelchairs that you can use if you are in a wheelchair and you want to go down onto the beach. They do have wheelchairs that are equipped to go out on the beach. That's all I know. So if you want to check into that, you would probably call the visitor center. But that's some good information for anyone that's in a wheelchair that would like to come out here and explore, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah, let me see. I'll roll down my window. You guys can hear the sand. It's so bad. To the car wash. Scotty got the truck all kind of rinsed off a little bit. There's still some sand on there, I think. You can hear it in the windows.
It's better than it was.
Yeah, a lot better. We can actually see out the windows. And then we were talking to Aja, who was about 30 miles away from us. And we decided to go ahead and come here with her just to see what she's got going on. I'm not sure we're going to make it back to the ocean because now we are probably about 45 to 50 minutes away from where we were. And the cutoff to Magnolia Beach is just down the road here. So we may just end up at another beach in the next day or so. We might not go back to Padre Island. There's a few things more we could have seen there on the island, but we're not really sure we want to.
We went to the beach, so.
Yeah, we went to the beach. So that's what we went to. Yeah. That's what we wanted to see.
I tried to fly my kite, and it needed more wind than it was windy.
Yeah.
I needed a minimum of 15-mile-an-hour wind, I guess. So.
Right. So we're gonna find out what the group wants to do, and then we will let you guys know if we're gonna head on to another beach or what we're gonna do. It is very, very hot here in town. We are off of the water. It's still kind of humid, but it's not as bad as it was down on the beach, which wasn't bothering Scott and I, and we would go back, but we want to kind of stick with the rest of the group. So we'll see what we'll see where we're going to be tonight, and we'll let you guys know. See you guys in a little bit. You can always come to a Walmart and anywhere in the United States and you'll find an Aja Lee burger. And a moo.
She's like, hug me.
Hi, you miss me. You haven't seen me for a couple days. Hello.
Now you can't remember if you...
Yeah, so
What are you
I
doing?
have so many games, so it's hard to remember what game I'm on. So I'm just,
That's what she's doing.
Yeah.
I said you can go to any Walmart in the United States and you can find a Aja Lee burger in it. Yes. And a moo.
Well, where's the... Is that the...
Okay,
I don't
we
think
found her.
have the-
All right, well, we went to Walmart. We found Aja. We found the rest of the group. We ran into Mick and Colleen, who were with the tribe in Ehrenberg, and they are now with us traveling. And we are going to Labonte Park, I believe it's called.
Labonte.
Labonte, which is only about 3 or 4 minutes down the road here. Scott and I did not want to spend a night in Walmart, and there just happened to be a free campground. Alright, so this is only a 12.5 clearance. So we're 11, almost 12. But we just want to kind of make sure that we're all good with the Spock box. Ah, plenty of room.